Tiger Vape introduces its 400 mg CBD disposable vape, setting a new standard in purity and quality. This vape range is meticulously crafted, containing absolutely no PEG, VG, PG, MCT oils, or nicotine, making it a safe and natural choice for CBD enthusiasts. With the infusion of natural terpenes, each puff offers an authentic and delightful flavor experience. The wickless ceramic coil ensures a consistently smooth draw, free from any messy leaks, providing a hassle-free vaping experience. To guarantee your peace of mind, every batch undergoes rigorous lab testing, confirming the absence of THC and allowing users to confidently embrace the potential therapeutic benefits of CBD. Tiger Vapes invites you to elevate your CBD vaping experience with a product that's pure, reliable, and tailored to your well-being. 400 mg full-spectrum CBD. Wickless ceramic coil. Lab-tested. Leak-free. PED, PG, VG, MCT and nicotine-free. Battery. 280. Puff count. 275. Draw activated. Flavors. Apple fritter. Banana kush. Blueberry kush. Grape ape. Lemon lime punch. Pineapple express. Strawberry cough. Strawberry cream. Tangerine dream. Skittles. If you like what you see, then head over to cbdflowersdirect.co.uk.